Turn up, chat. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make $1,000 daily. All right. If you haven't subbed up to my channel, this is the time to do so. I show you guys everything you need to know. From start to finish, how to start your own personal curb painting business. All right. If you're super interested, click that link in my bio. If you're just kind of interested, just follow along, sub up, like up, comment any questions that you guys have. I make this channel to help as many people as I can so they can quit their 9-to-5 and start making the money they want to make, right? Go on vacation when you want to go on vacation, all right? Take a break when you want to take a break, all right? Not go on a break when other people tell you to go on break, all right? Do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it, all right? Turn up. Let's get it. You got a basic curb, chat. A basic curb. Basic, all right? You know what to do. Sub up. Let's get it. Look at that. Shaky. It's a little windy, all right, but we'll make it work. Now I handle every curb differently, but you won't know that unless you've been curbing a long time. All right. It's a little windy, so it's taking a little. Gotta be more careful. Woo, look at that. All right. Now I do everything for a reason, chat. All right. So if you got questions, drop your questions. You can see the wind blew this over. All right, we'll fix that up. Make sure it's good. All right, we're ready. Chat, make sure you guys check out my other videos and lives and shorts and all that good stuff. I go live almost daily, or I post a short somehow, some way. Oh yeah, and that's what you call a good looking basic curb right there, chat. So now I'm gonna let it dry out and I'm gonna go from there. And that's how I make $1,000 daily, okay? At least part of it. All right, now there's a whole process getting the sale, right? Making the sale, doing the curb, giving them exactly what you promised them. And that's what I do. I promise on everything that I say I will do or I can do, and I give them what they want. So it's a win-win-win. These are some good looking curbs. All right, again, sub up. It's a little hot here. It's about 90-something degrees here, chat. Like 90-something. But yeah, guys, it's Tuesday here. All right. We had a few curbs yesterday. I didn't get to post as much as I wanted to, but hey, we do what we can when we can. All right. I make so much content, like it just fills up my storage like crazy. All right. So right now I'm just letting it dry out. All right. Depending on how many curbs you have and what style of curb you're doing, depends on how long it takes you. All right. Again, if you guys are serious about it, you know what to do. Click that link in the bio. I show you guys everything you need to know with my online master course, right? I'll show you from start to finish, getting the sale, painting the curb, like why I paint the curb the way I do, like why I outline it, why do I do everything, right? Again, start to finish. All right. Some good looking curbs. I'll be curbing for a majority of the day. All right. Then I'm gonna get a workout in this evening. Then we're gonna go from there. All right. I'm thinking about making a video about coaching or personal training later on today. If you guys follow me on my other channel, we did a 40-week pregnant due date workout. It was crazy. All right. So check that out. But yeah, guys, I provide some type of content daily on this channel. All right. So if you're serious, you're like, man, what is he doing? Can I do that? Yeah, you can do that. These are teenagers or adults, right? Teenagers or adults can do this. Okay. Teenagers or adults. All right. It's all on you. All right. It's all on you. That's why I make these videos, because over time I found out, like, man, this is freedom right here. Right? I do what I want, when I want, how I want to do it. And it's that simple. Like, I hate working for other people, and I know other people hate working for other people, whether they say it or not. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to come up with something, and then I'm going to help other people out with what I come up with. And that's what I came up with. All right. No, I didn't come up with curb painting, but modern day curb painting today, I did do that on my own. Okay, all by myself, by help of nobody. All right. So yeah, right now we're still letting it dry out, chat. Still letting it dry out. If you guys got questions, if you watch this video until this point, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, okay, so I can help other people with the engagement on it. Comment any questions you guys have. All right, and I catch you on the next one. Peace.